Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install CodeBlocks in Windows 10 and 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First, open up your favorite browser, and we're going to search for CodeBlocks on your search engine. Hit enter to search for it, and usually the first search should be the codeblocks.org site. If not, you can just scroll through this page and find the codeblocks.org site. Once you have found that, just click on it, and this is the official page of CodeBlocks. From here, we can see many options at the left part of the screen, and under the features option, we can see downloads, so tap on that, close if there's an ad that comes up. And from here, we have different ways to download and install CodeBlocks, download the binary release, download the source code, retrieve source code from SVN. What we're going to do here is to download the binary release. So click on it. And now we're going to select a setup package depending on your platform. Since we have Windows, let's click on Windows XP right here. And here are many files that pops up. And the key here is to download the right file. So what we're going to download is this fourth one right here. It says CodeBlocks 20.03 mingw setup.exe. And in line with that are two download links, so you can choose either one of them, whichever works for you. I'm just going to click on FOSS Hub, and we should be redirected to this page. Let's wait for it, and the download should automatically start any second now. And now the file is downloading. You can check on your downloads page, and here is the file that we just downloaded. It's 145 megabytes. We can now open the setup file, click on yes, and this should open up. CodeBlocks setup, click on next right here, and you can read through these and click on I agree. Now the recommended download is the full download, so you can also have the option to check or uncheck some components, but I recommend you to do a full download and just check all these right here to have the complete components of CodeBlocks. After that, click on next right here, and now you can select a destination folder. The space required we have is 531.5 megabytes, and make sure that you have enough space on your disk. So I'm just going to change my destination file. And once you have selected your destination folder, click on install right here, and CodeBlocks should be installed now after this loads. And that is how you can basically install CodeBlocks in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.